the potential. Envision the future. Imagine the possibilities. Can you see it? We can. Help us make their tomorrow happen today. In a school that cultivates the brightest of the poorest and nurtures their dreams.
Centex is a public elementary school with a difference, where bright, talented children from the most disadvantaged families can get a quality education. We have about 1,000 students, ages 5 to 12, in 2 schools in Manila and Batangas. About 850 of them have graduated from our kindergarten to grade 6 program. Centex ranked first among all the public schools. We're happy about the success. The students are engaged, confident, and excited about learning.
Magaling ako sa pagkanta, pagdrawing at pagsasayaw. Pangarap sa akin ng mga magulang ko ay makatapos ng pag-aaral at magkaroon ng magandang trabaho.
When my parents found out that I got in Centex, they were delighted because they not only knew that it was an excellent school for me to go in, they also knew that it would develop my skills in learning and reading. Centex makes an impact by showing those children that there is still hope for them.
In classes that are small and intimate, allowing teachers to focus on every child. In a place where those who thought all was lost now see a brave new hope.
Pinapanalangin ko si Jorby na nakatapos ng pag-aaral, na gumanda ang buhay nila makapagtrabaho.
In their bright eyes and wide smiles, in their eagerness and determination, what do the children of Centex show us? All they need is a little push, a little hope, and someone to believe in them. Join us in seeing their dreams become reality.